Dude, what the heck, dude? Like, dude, this is actually lighter than paper. What the heck? Dude, this is impossible. How do they make this stuff? Dude, you could literally see right through it. Dude, this is so cool. But right now, we're unboxing the glorious Follw mouse. That hurt pretty bad. Okay. So, it's out of the box. What is this? What is this? There's instructions. Oh, it's just the shipping thing. So here it is. Glorious Follw mouse. Okay, here we go. How do I... There's these stupid things right here. Okay. You ready? Oh, there's another one. There it is. Okay, it's right here. Oh my gosh, this is so light, dude. It doesn't feel real. It feels like a freaking. Okay. Untangle this, dude. What the heck? I'm just gonna plug it in right here to my PC. Dude, it's so light. I don't know what the... Dude, what the heck? I don't like... It's crazy. This is so crazy. This is my normal mouse I use. And this is the... Dude, like, the spectrum is so crazy. Where is the mouse, though? There is no mouse. The device is connected. I don't know why it's saying it's oh, it's because I have it connected up here. Hold up real quick. Okay. Whoa. Dude, it's so light. I don't like... Okay, here we go. Put on my other screen. Left button. Left button. Right button. No. See lighting. Okay, whoa. That's going... Here, I'm going to turn off this big light so I can see it better. Yeah, that barely even helped. Dude. Glorious mode. Seamless breathing. Whoa, dude. Like, this is crazy because, like, mostly they just have normal. This is like, they have so much. Oh, it's just LED. So much, like, LED options. It's crazy. Okay. Wave. Rave. Whoa, that's crazy. I don't really like that one. Tail. That's pretty cool. Breathing. So I do have a vlog that I'm currently editing. It's in color. Today, I'm gonna have to edit this one too. Or voice crack. Okay, I'll put the speed down a little bit. Dude, this is actually a sick mouse. Maybe I should have gotten the black color, but it's fine. Bro, it looks beautiful. Like, actually. Whoa, dude. Don't have to use this one. Comment down below if you want this mouse. Like, if you want it, I could change the DPI and stuff. Like, probably gonna sell this mouse, but like, dude, I actually have one of these mouses now. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, dude, it's so light compared to this. Like, this feels like a freaking pound lighter. This glossy white competitive esports gaming mouse. It has the Hyperglide. Has that guy right there. Dude. Whoa, dude. Okay, I use this as a freaking mouse bungee because I'm just don't want to spend money on a normal mouse bungee, so what's the point? Okay. There we go, dude. Sorry, my room's messy. I don't know why the keyboard is on breathing effect. It should be on RGB. Hold up. Synchronize. There we go. Dude, it's so crazy, dude. Oh my gosh. It's hard to control these. So here's a view right here. The mouse. So currently, my dresser is broken. It's like a piece of crap. I said this in the vlog. One of the drawers is broken, so I have to leave it on the ground. That's what you just saw there. Okay, well, the vlog, I don't know what I'm gonna edit first. This might be tomorrow's video, or you'll be watching it, I guess, today, which is going to be tomorrow. Or maybe you'll just watch it like some other time if you don't have time to watch it now. So yeah, you'll watch it sometime. If you don't, then you don't. It's fine. Well, yeah, it's so light actually. I'm not even joking, dude. It's so light. Okay, well, I'll see y'all later. Peace.